How to get started with Treasure NFTs, step-by-step guide. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of NFTs, but with a twist. I'll be guiding you through Treasure NFTs. Treasure NFTs are unique digital assets that can represent exclusive rewards, artifacts, or collectibles. Let's jump into what they are, how to find them, and how to get started. What is a Treasure NFT? Treasure NFTs are digital assets with collectible or valuable qualities, often found in metaverse platforms, NFT games, or exclusive online communities. Think of them as digital treasures. They could be rare art pieces, virtual land, or special rewards hidden in games. Select a platform. Treasure NFTs can be found on platforms that cater to unique or gamified NFTs. Some popular ones are OpenSea, Rarible, and specific metaverse worlds like Decentraland or TreasureDAO. Check out the available platforms to see where these NFTs are available. Set up a digital wallet. To buy, sell, or trade Treasure NFTs, you'll need a digital wallet. MetaMask is one of the most popular options. It's secure and easy to set up. Download the app or browser extension, create your account, and securely store your private key. Add funds to your wallet. Treasure NFTs often require payment in cryptocurrency. You can buy crypto directly from exchanges like Coinbase or Binance and transfer it to your MetaMask wallet. Ensure you have enough funds, as transaction fees might apply. Search for Treasure NFTs. Now that your wallet is ready, explore platforms like OpenSea or Rarible. Look for keywords like treasure, artifact, or search collections that offer unique or limited edition assets. Some Treasure NFTs may even come with hidden benefits, like access to exclusive event. Purchase your Treasure NFT. Found something you love? Simply click Buy and confirm the transaction with your wallet. Double-check the NFT's details. Once it's in your wallet, you own a piece of digital treasure. Join the community. Many Treasure NFTs come with perks, like joining exclusive Discord channels or participating in NFT events. Engaging with the community can unlock further opportunities and give you insights on potential new treasures. And that's it, your step-by-step guide to getting started with Treasure NFTs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides on digital assets and the metaverse. Thanks for watching, and happy treasure hunting!